a Mahatma in a kutia hut with only a lengoti, nothing to call as his own. Regularly sadhana going on in the Ganga Kinare. All that he possessed was another lengoti, so that when he washes, he can dry up. And slowly, in his kutia, a couple of rats came and they multiplied. And there is nothing in the house, but it takes away this this lengoti. The Swami is tired of running after this rat and saving the... Therefore, he consulted the villagers. Kya kare, mere ko pata nahi. Said, "Hey, Swamiji, ek cat, keep a cat." Rats will run away. So he brought a cat from the village and kept it there. Now the cat needs milk. So he is tired of going to the village and asking, "Thoda milk." What is it? Billi hai, billi ke liye. Billi ke liye. And the villagers are saying that billi ke liye, ghar ghar jaake doodh lete, doodh hi pite honge. One villager got tired of this man, billi milk. And the bachche logon ko bhi karne lage, billi ananda aa rahe hain. So he thought, no, that is very bad for the children. Samskara. He said, I go, Swamiji, ye gai ko le jao. He said, that is good, because every day to go and try for milk is all right. He brought the cow. So cow is to give milk to the cat. Cat is to destroy the rats. Why am I allowing right? To save that lengoti, extra one lengoti. When the cow came, he started going to the village. Thoda ghas de, ghas, mere cow. The cow needs grass. The cow needs straw. Straw. Then isko to tera pani. Inko pani dene ke liye ek bartan. And I go water there. Then I found that no, that is alone will not do, because it's not giving milk enough. And it's winter is coming. So slightly warm up water diya to peenge. Then what am I to do? For that, warming up. For that, see, fuel chahiye. Fuel, then बारिश आ गया. Then extend करेंगे ये कुटिया. And the गाय को भी. So गौशाला हो गया, kitchen हो गया. I mean, these, what is that? The fuel is to be kept safely in the rain, and therefore safe हो गया. बिल्ली, उसको milk देना है, milk pot है, that pot washing, that one, the cow to be looked after, the cow dung to be removed. In short, there is no time for meditation. It is at that time devotees come from the local. And a devotee comes to look after the Swami. And as a seva bhav, she cleans the house. What her ultimate intention, we don't know. The poor Swami is honestly thinking, bhakta hai, seva bhav hai, kar lo. There are pani, jala, upal do, garam karo, pani garam kiya. Gai ko de do, gai ko de diya. There are shed trees, sab karo, saaf kar liya. And gai ka doodh nikal do, doodh nikal diya. And there are warm kar, billi ko de do, billi ko de diya. Long ago, the rats have disappeared. You see? Think of that, how the situation, one after another. The poor man ultimately. And that lady, every evening she goes, cleaning everything, she goes to her home and come back in the morning and clean the place, cook the food, and the Swami and she takes it, and in the night after that she goes. One day like this, rain. अरे देखो ये बारिश है तो बारिश में क्या जाना है, तुम तो वही कमरा में सो जा, हम तो यहाँ सो गए. All because one extra lengoti. Any possession you keep, Maya will create one after another, demands after demand. This is the nature of the world. Therefore, Vidvamsa, even though you are a Vidwan, wise man, read Upanishads, everything, not only that, but I am teaching others also, and they are glowing up, all that, but in case your mind loses its contact with the higher and turn outward, is it Vismriti, you forget.